Hey guys, this is Ryan. I wanted to apologize. There's been a few people that have had a hard time getting into the live Feldenkrais or the recording of the live Feldenkrais workshop I did a few days ago. Um, Look, here's the thing. Normally people purchase something from me and they get an email and there's a link within the email to download the product. This time, when you purchase the workshop, you should have been redirected right away to create an account on SamCart so that you could download the materials. If not, just go to your email and you'll get something. You'll see something that says from Ryan Nagy, order receipt, Feldenkrais. So click on that, and it's not really obvious, but you see there's a little blue thing here that says register for your course. So if you don't have access to the workshop, that's what you have to do. Click this email, register for your course. Now, I've already done it, so it's going to take me directly to the page. But if you haven't done it, it's just kind of a basic thing. You enter your name, your email, and a password. And then once you do that, this first course is here, and if I do more courses on SamCart, they'll all be here, so everything is in one place. SamCart is just a really, for me anyway, a very smooth, easy way to put courses online, put Feldenkrais courses online, and I hope it'll be easy for you as well. You'll see here, here where it says completed, it's completed because I've done the course, but for you it'll say start, and you click, and then you'll see a list of the lessons. So for example, workshop video and downloads, I click that. And you can see it's just your basic video. You click it and you play. Or if you want to do audio only, you click the audio. You can download the audio. Do you see that? Download the audio. And there's also a download video file if you want to download it. Okay. So I hope that works. Feel free to send me an email if you have any questions. Okay? All right.